What's going on, everyone? This is Mwabu Effects, and this is a recap of the trades that we took today. Today's on Monday, on 26th. All right, so I really want to focus on just showing you the trades that we took. It was amazing trades, amazing entries. So the first one was USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY was very easy. We were looking at just a few things. So the first thing that we were looking at is, as you can see, this trade was able to play out very perfectly. All right. So first thing that we looked at is we needed to have the daily and weekly time frames bullish. Okay, bullish. So that was our first. That is usually our first. Like the higher time frames, we are following the trend. Okay, the higher time frames, we are following the trend. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be sharing with you an analysis and what exactly were we looking at on this trade to be able to take this buy from here. Okay, this buy from here. So I'll be able to just bring back the price. So price was actually at this level. Okay, so what I was looking at is I'll be able to remove all the drawings. Definitely weekly and daily are bullish. So if weekly and daily are bullish, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at actually the 4 hours, 1 hour time frame. Mostly that is what I usually look. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is what I was able to see. Okay, can be able to see that this zone has been able to be respected severally. After that, they'll be able to be respected severally. You can also say we have this zone here also that at least has been able to be tapped once and twice. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking at this. Okay, I'm looking also at this push to the downside. I'm able to see that it has broken here, but daily, ideally, what you're looking for is a push to the up. Okay, and if I draw this zone here, I'm able to see I have my 618 zone here. Okay, that I believe has been tested. Okay, so our 618 zone, around this zone here, we can be able to see like this is where price was able to like come tap, come here, did not continue selling. So what we are looking for is at least we are expecting price to break above this zone. So if we go on the lower time frame, we'll be looking at this. This is the 618 zone I was telling you. So ideally, what I was looking for GJ, I was really looking for a break of this zone, and then I have a pullback here, and then we have a buy continuation. So if we have a buy continuation, if I'm looking at my 88% to 70% retracement, I'm actually looking at this zone around this zone here. Okay. To be able to have a retracement. So what I did is waited for a break. Okay, so we can be able to play. So this is the break that I actually waited to see. So after waiting to see this break, the next thing I wanted to see was I wanted to see a retest of my zone here or a retracement based on what we'll get. Let's see where this price is actually retracing from. Okay, so we can be able to see price was really not able to, for USDJPY, price is not able to give us this retracement. Okay, so on this trade, it actually went towards our direction. Okay, so we were looking for a buy from here to here. We didn't get a retracement, but price literally went towards our direction and hit our take profit. Let's see if we go. Let's see if we have a retracement really. Okay, so on your session is where we didn't get a retracement. So you can be able to see this is the retracement here. Okay, After having the retracement, we are able to see price pulling back up to here. Remember, this is New York session. This is where we didn't get a retracement. And then after that, we were able to wait for price to break. This was our first entry consideration for USD JPY. Okay, so you can be able to see price was able to break here, this zone, and immediately price was able to break that zone. This is where I was looking to get my long entry. Stop loss below this. Okay, that's there. So we really had a good push, by the way. For USD JPY, we really had a great and amazing push. Okay, so that was USD JPY. Let's go to another currency. That is how that trade played along. US 30, all right? US 30 was a really quick trade that we were really able to take. During New York session. It was a very quick trade, actually. So I'll just remove all the drawings and I'll be able to bring price back to this zone. Okay, because that is where price was before we actually took that trade. So on my side, what I was looking with US 30 for two things. Okay, you can see price is very bullish. Okay, so if price is very bullish, the one thing that I noticed is price has not been able to create a new low here. Okay, and if price has not been able to create a new low here, what I'll be waiting for price to do is I will wait for price to actually pull back towards our zone here. Okay, and if that is the case, what I'm really looking at is I'm looking at where is price going to retrace from. Why is price going to retrace from? Okay, like I'm looking for a 50%, 88% retracement to around this zone. Okay, around this zone. So I had two options. Okay, price looking to for it to get into that zone, and price also I'm looking for it to sell if it breaks this low. Okay, so what will happened with US 30, we're able to see creation of a new high, and this is how this trade actually took place. I don't know, actually shoot before even I showed you the retracement. So what we looked at this trade, we saw there was a break of this high, which we are actually looking at. Okay, there was a break of this high, this one here. So after a break of that, what we are waiting at least to see is, if you that was a break, a very clear break. So after a very clear break, I was just waiting to see a retracement. Okay, stop loss was here. So bam, that is what happened to your start. That is exactly what happened to your start. We had it break this zone, we had it push up to this here, which was our target, and you are out of the trade. So you can be able to see US 30 was able to continue its run. If you are trading other hours, this is also a trade where we will take it, okay? Where we could take it from. We want to see a break from, we want to see a clear break of that zone. So let me remove this. So here I can be able to see there is a break of that zone. Okay, after seeing a break of that zone, I'm able to see this level here. This level will act as a strong zone. So this means is if I was still looking to trade with this. Okay, so if that is where I'm waiting price to react from, I'll actually wait for this break. And on this break, this is where I'll be getting into my short position. Okay, so if that happen, let's see. So remember, waiting for a break of this low. Right now, you're still not on the trade until you have a break of that low. Okay, and you can see here is where the trade is right now. Okay, so the break of this low, you can be able to see the break of this low. So I can be able to say that US30 will be able to continue dropping. But we usually want to trade it during high volume sessions whereby we have very, very high volume sessions. And those are the same exact trade we took for GBP JPY. Take a look at GBP JPY. Take a look at that trade that we took. Was able to push up completely up to the moon. The same trade we took for Euro JPY. All right, same strategy, same entry. So here's the thing, guys. I was able to give people an opportunity to join the live session today. And what we're doing on the VIP group is I'm sharing the strategy. I'm sharing how to take a look at these Fibonacci zones. I'm training you how to really understand my strategy, where to look at these signals and how to trade them. Okay, so if you want to trade with me, if you want to be getting results like this, what you are getting, all you just need to do is just click the link below, get into my VIP group, or if you are in the Telegram group, what you just need to do is come here on the Telegram group, check on the pinned messages. On the pinned messages, there is a link to join my VIP. Okay, so if you click on that link, this will be for the free course. Okay, and after the free course, on the free course also there is a link whereby you can join the VIP. Okay, so this is for the free course. If you click again, you'll be able to see join the VIP. So when you click here, all you just need to do is you just need to have a credit card. If you have a credit card, if you have a problem with paying, just send me a message and I'll be able to help you out in making the payments. Okay, join the $15 offer, which is here right now. You can see $15 a month. And here is where I explain to you the strategy and how exactly we are able to take trades like this. Okay, so I'll see you on the other side. Welcome to the Moabo FX VIP. This is Monday's recap, and it was an amazing day. I'll be able to do a recap for tomorrow also. Cheers, see you on the other side.